Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see, we have a new tutorial which is a bra cup, and this bra cup is for size medium to large, and I'm going to show you as well if you're going to do a small one, or maybe I will make a small one for this. And yeah, so today I will be showing you how to do this. This is just a single crochet, and let's jump into our tutorial. So every tutorial, guys, you need a pair a crochet hook, measuring tape or tape measure. Okay, so to get the measurement, you need the scissors to cut your yarn. You need your stitch marker to mark your project, and you need a darning needle to waving your ends, and of course we need our yarn for our project. Okay, so let's jump into our tutorial. Okay guys, so for this tutorial I will be using my 3mm hook and my brown acrylic yarn. So this is number 8 or 8 ply. Okay, so to start with our project, we're going to do a slip knot, and from here, so this is for medium to large. So so every project you need to measure your breast. Okay, so this is from, so how to measure this is the bottom of your chest. Okay, so where's your boobie, and this tip here, this is our foundation chain. So from the bottom of your chest going to your top part or your nipples. Okay, so you are going to measure that. Okay, so from here until there. So mine has 8 centimeter. Okay, so 8 centimeter, and you are going to work on that. And with mine I need to chain 18. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 16 17 18. Okay, so let's just put that there, and you get your measurement until there. Okay, so from here what we're going to do is from the second stitch, or from the hook. Okay, so this is our first stitch, and then this is our second, so we skip one and then we single crochet into the next one. So single crochet, so insert to the next one, yarn over, pull up a loop, you have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. So that is our single crochet. Okay, so do that guys until to the end. I will meet you up there. Okay guys, so we got into our end, and I just single crochet to the last stitch, and from here we are going to chain 1 and turn our work, and in the first chain we are going to do a single crochet and single crochet until you get to the top, and I will meet you up there and I'm going to show you what to do next. Okay guys, so I am here into my last stitch, and I'm just going to put a single crochet, and we are going to turn into the other side, which is the top here, and we are going to do 3 double crochet so in the same stitch. So that's 1, 2, and in the same stitch 3 single crochet, and then from here we are going to go to this side and just put 1 single crochet in each stitch, okay, until you get to your end. So continue doing that guys, and I will meet you into the end of the row. Okay guys, so we get to the end of the row, and I just finished my single crochet into the last stitch, and we're going to chain 1 and turn our work, and we will be doing this repeat, okay, just single crochet to the top, and then when you get to the top you're going to put 3 single crochet into the third or the second or the middle that we have 3 single crochet. Okay, so continue doing that guys, and I will meet you up here, and from here I'm going to show you, because this is a repeat until we finish the cup. So I'm going to show you one more, and you can continue doing this guys, complete this, going here and then going back, and then until you have your measurement of your cup. Okay guys, so I just finished my first single crochet. Now we are into our middle, which is we're going to put 3 single crochet in the same space, and 1 more. Okay, so every row we are going to put 3 single crochet in the middle or in the second of our 3 single crochet in the same space. So we have 1, 2, 3. The second of every row we are going to increase by putting 3 single crochet. Okay, so and then every stitch here is you are just going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch and into the end. Okay, so every end of the row is you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and then in the first chain you are going to single crochet, and then going up, and then 3 single crochet into the second single crochet in the top, and then 1 single crochet over here, and then when you get to the end is chain 1, turn your work, and then single crochet back up, and then 3 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet, and then repeat that, and I will meet you up when I have my measurement. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you how wide this is. So I have 5.5, so 5.5 inch. Okay, so I will come back when I got my 5.5 inch guys, and I will meet you shortly. Hi guys, and as you can see we have our bra cup, so that is really pretty. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching, and if you do like this tutorial, please hit that like button and then share, And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time I will upload a new video, and you will be part of this channel. And hopefully I will see you in the next video, guys. I am thinking of turning this into a bikini, so watch out for that, guys. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys, and hopefully you have a lovely day. Thanks. Bye.